What if I told you that 3 simple points on your hands could help reignite your body's natural vitality, restore stronger circulation, and support lasting energy as you age? You can stimulate these points anywhere, while reading, sitting in traffic, or watching TV, and nobody would even know. Hi everyone, welcome back to Health versus Fact. Today we're talking about ancient pressure points that gently activate your body's internal systems for better blood flow, calmer nerves, and renewed energy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where these points are, how to massage them safely, and how to build a short daily routine that keeps your circulation strong and your energy steady. Think of your body like a massive highway system. Your heart and blood vessels are the roads, your hormones are the drivers, and your nerves are the traffic lights keeping everything in sync. But over time, traffic builds up, roads crack, and signals don't change as fast, making everything move a little slower than it used to. The good news is, your body still has an incredible ability to restore itself when given the right stimulation. Traditional Chinese medicine recognized this centuries ago through acupressure, and modern science now explains how activating certain hand points can calm the nervous system, open blood vessels, and balance energy flow. When done consistently, these techniques can enhance overall wellness, improve circulation, and reduce the silent tension that wears down your health. Most people don't realize how much tension we carry in our hands. Every emotion we feel, stress, frustration, worry, travels through the nerves in our palms and fingers. That's why when you're anxious, you clench your fists, and when you're calm, your hands relax. Your hands are like direct connectors to your internal wiring. By massaging them intentionally, you're not just soothing the surface. You're sending gentle signals to your entire nervous system saying, it's safe to relax, it's safe to heal, it's safe to restore balance. That's what makes these 3 points so powerful. They don't just work on the body, they work through the body, helping you reconnect to the calm, balanced energy that might have felt lost with time. Let's explore the 3 hand points you can start using today. First point, Heart 7. You'll find it at the crease of your wrist, in line with your pinky finger, about 1 finger width in from the outer edge. Press gently until you feel a small hollow. This point, often called the spirit gate, helps calm an overactive nervous system and promotes relaxation and balanced circulation. Massage it in slow, gentle circles for about 60 seconds on each wrist, breathing deeply as you go. You might notice a sense of calm spreading through your chest or shoulders. That's your nervous system starting to respond. Second point, Union Valley. It's located in the webbing between your thumb and index finger. Apply firm, steady pressure here for about 90 seconds. This helps release muscular tension and encourages healthy blood flow throughout the body. It's also known to relieve headaches, reduce stress, and boost overall energy. If you spend long hours typing, driving, or gripping tools, this one will feel amazing. Third point, Kidney Meridian. It lies about 2 finger widths below your wrist crease, centered between the 2 tendons. Pressing this point strengthens overall vitality and supports your body's restorative functions. Use deeper, steady pressure here. Hold for 10 seconds, then release and follow with slow circular motions. You might feel a dull, pleasant ache or a warm sensation. That's a good sign. It means the energy channel is awakening. For best results, perform this full hand massage sequence twice a day, once in the morning to energize your system and once before bed to relax it. The entire routine takes less than 10 minutes and easily fits into your normal schedule. Within a few weeks of consistent practice, many people notice better sleep, calmer moods, warmer hands and feet, and a renewed sense of balance and vitality. Some even report improved focus and mental clarity, simply because the body and mind are communicating more efficiently again. Remember, consistency matters far more than intensity. Use firm but comfortable pressure. Keep your breathing steady, and stay well hydrated so your body's natural circulation can do its job. Always avoid massaging over injuries or inflamed skin, and check with your healthcare provider if you have hand or wrist conditions. These simple, safe techniques combine ancient knowledge with modern science, reminding your body just how capable it still is. Take a few quiet minutes today to try them. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and feel your pulse steady beneath your fingertips. You might be surprised by how much energy, clarity, and calm you can awaken with just your own two hands. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little more calm and vitality in their life. This is Health versus Fact, reminding you that your body already holds incredible healing power. You just have to know where to press.